Hey guys, Zach here, and today I'm reviewing another Nerf gun. It was my very first Nerf gun, but I used to have the yellow one of it, but then it got stolen, so I got another one. I got the lime green see-through one. It's the Recon cs-6. It comes in 5 pieces, counting the clips, 6, but I just put an extra one in there. I lost all my bullets, but yesterday I went and bought some. I got some of the elite bullets, those blue ones. So I'm going to put the actual gun together. So here's the main gun part, the pistol. And then, damn it. Okay guys, just a second. Just point it. So and then you get the barrel. On there, wait a second. You get the sight first. You put it on. Put the barrel on. And you get the laser. Put it like that. See? You can see right there. I have the elite bullets. And then you put it like that. So this gun, I'd say shoots to 40 feet. I'm going to test it out. It shoots further without the barrel, but I'm going to do it with the barrel first. So, it went about into the middle of the road. Take the barrel off. I think it's on the other side of the road. And from an angled shot, it should go a lot farther. Now, let's go get those other bullets. Okay, wait, just a second. Okay, I'm going to just leave my gun right here. So I'm going to go get my other bullets. So Nick, don't pick them up. So, there was our first shot right there, like the middle of the road. The second shot, and then that last shot. So that was the one with the barrel on. That was the barrel off. That one was the barrel off, but like angled. Just pick these up. Go put them back in my gun. I'll show you how to reload it once I get back. If this video doesn't work out very well, it's because I'm outside. Kind of hurts. I can't really see my screen that much, So, you want to reload this. It's got to pull that back, pull this little lever, then take the clip out. Then you put the bullets back in. Yeah. And you put this back in there, and back and forth, ready to shoot. So yeah, that's the Recon cs-6, and yeah, see ya.